Hey first graders, I hope you're doing well today. I'm here for writing day number 3. So what you're looking at right now is day 2, so what you did yesterday. So yesterday you chose that one person you wanted to write a letter to and your one topic. So I chose what I have been doing at home, and then I had you write three different sentences that you wanted to write in your letter. So I wrote 3 different things I've been doing at home. And then I wanted you to end your letter with one question. So my question is, what have you been doing at home? So now today I'm going to put my rough draft, so the writing that I did yesterday, I'm going to put it onto a um, nice note. So here's the one I picked out. Okay, so here's my card, here's my envelope, and if you don't have an envelope, tomorrow I can teach you how you could make an envelope, or we'll just find another solution tomorrow. But I wanted to get going on how you're going to start your letter. So when I start my letter, it should start with the word dear. So I'm going to write dear, and then I write who it's to. Mine's to Daniel. Dear Daniel. Then you put a comma, that's that little mark, after their name, okay? Then you go down to the next line. Now I'm going to look back from my notes of yesterday. My first sentence is, I have been learning how to teach first grade from my computer. Before I even start those 3 sentences, though, I should probably have a sentence just to say hi. So, dear Daniel, maybe I'll say, I hope you are doing well. Oops, it doesn't need to be capital, have been at home. Now here's what I'm going to start with my first sentence. It says, I have been learning how to teach first grade from my computer. I see I don't have a ton of space on my notes, so I'm just going to say, I have been learning how to teach online. I have been learning how to teach online. And I'm going to do something a little fancy. I'm just going, I'm going to make my letters a little bit smaller and a little bit closer together. Here we go. That way, I have a little more space. I've been learning how to teach online. Now I'm going to go back and see what I did yesterday. It says, I have been going on lots of walks and runs. And my last one, I've been reading several books. I'm going to combine those into one sentence. Oops. I have been learning how to teach online. I have also, so there's a transition word, I have also been going on many walks and runs and reading lots of books. So there I've told him my 3 things already. I started with the first sentence of, I hope you're doing well. I said that I've been at home, and then I said my 3 things: learning how to teach online, going on walks and runs, and reading books. Now I'm going to end it by asking him a question. So my question from yesterday that I brainstormed was, what have you been doing at home? So now I need to put that on this page on my card, and I need to have a question mark at the end. There's not enough room there. What have you been doing at home? I don't know if you noticed, but I would have been able to squeeze a few of those letters in right there, H, A, and B, but you cannot break up a word and put it on 2 lines. So let me show you that. I can't put like the first part of have up here and the second part down there. Have is one word, so it needs to be all by each other. So that needs to go to the next line. Now my whole word is together. Okay, so to end it, you need to say from and your name, or love with your name, and that always goes over on the right side. So I'm going to say love, and then you put a comma, and then your name goes beneath that. He doesn't call me Miss Rimride, he calls me Sarah. So I'm going to write Sarah. So here's what yours should look like. And you can write it on any kind of paper. If you have a card, that would be really fun to use that. But if you don't have a card, just rip out a page from your notebook or use a piece of paper from your printer. Whatever you have at home is totally fine. So I'm going to read through it one more time to see if I made any mistakes. Dear Daniel, I hope you are doing well. I have been at home. I have been learning how to teach online. I have also been going on many walks and runs and reading lots of books. What have you been doing at home? Love, Sarah. All right, that's your job for today. You can upload a picture of it to Seesaw when you finish, and I hope you have so much fun writing a letter to somebody that is in your life.